Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. So today I bought with me Oppo F15. So this is the latest mobile from Oppo. So today let us have a look at this phone. So let's get started. Starting off with the physical overview. On the front, as we can see, it comes with notch design and we have the front camera placed on the center. Above the front camera, as we can see, we have got the earpiece speaker. Now moving on to the back side. On the back side, as we can see, we have got the quad camera setup with LED flashlight. On the top, as we can see, we just have the secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom, it comes with 3.5mm headphone jack, mic, USB Type-C port and speaker. Now moving on to the sides. On the right side, as we can see, we have got the power button and on left side, we have the volume increase and decrease buttons. Now let's have a look at the specification of this device. Oppo F15 comes with 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It is powered by octa-core processor and comes with MediaTek Helio P70 chipset. As of the RAM and storage, it comes only in one variant. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Moving on to the cameras, it comes with quad camera setup with 48, 8 and 2 2MP sensors. On the front, it comes with 16MP sensor. Phone is boosted by 4025 mAh battery with fast charging support. Phone glass is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It comes with on-screen fingerprint scanner. Okay, so now let me just check the fingerprint scanner. So as you all can see, it takes about 2 seconds for unlocking. So as we can see, these two are the color options available. Both these colors actually look shiny. I actually like the black color variant. Now let us compare Oppo F15 with Vivo S1 Pro. I have already made a video about Vivo S1 Pro. If you all have not yet watched it, you all can go check that out. I'll drop a link in the description below or you all have the cards. So on the front, as we can see, both these devices actually looks exactly the same. Both comes with notch design and have the front camera placed exactly on the center. Now moving on to the back side. So on the back side, as you can see, Vivo S1 Pro comes with diamond shaped quad camera setup, whereas Oppo F15 comes with cameras placed one below the other. Now moving on to the sides, in Oppo F15, as we can see, on the right side we have got the power button and on the left side we have got the volume increase and decrease button, whereas in Vivo S1 Pro we have got both volume buttons and power button on the right side. On the top, as we can see, in Oppo F15 we just have the secondary noise cancellation microphone, whereas in Vivo S1 Pro we have got the headphone jack and secondary noise cancellation microphone. So at the bottom, as you can see, we have got the 3.5mm headphone jack in Oppo F15, whereas in Vivo S1 Pro it is actually placed at the top. So the differences between both these devices are display, chipset and battery. Starting off with the display, Oppo F15 comes with AMOLED display, whereas Vivo S1 Pro comes with Super AMOLED display. Now moving on to the chipset, Oppo F15 comes with MediaTek Helio P70 chipset, whereas Vivo S1 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset. Next, moving on to the batteries, Oppo F15 comes with 4025 mAh battery, whereas Vivo S1 Pro comes with 4500 mAh battery. Both Vivo S1 Pro and Oppo F15 actually comes with the same rear camera sensors, that is 48, 8 and 2 2MP sensors. On the front side, Oppo F15 comes with 16MP sensor, whereas Vivo S1 Pro comes with 32MP sensor. So that's it from this video guys. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.